Good morning all of you. After a long gap I came back with one more video. Okay, and today's video I'm going to present what is the weightage of each and every chapter in physics in first year, intermediate first year, and what is our exam paper pattern. Everybody will know this scenario, but again I'm repeating why, what is the logic behind of this. Let's see. Watch the video till the end, then only you may get the clarity. Clear? Yeah, let's see this, Nana. So mostly in first year we are having 14 chapters in our physics. Clear? So the main logical thing is everybody will know what is the weightage of each and every chapter and what is the examination pattern. So whatever the knowledge we are acquiring, but the presentation is very important and logical reading is very important. Blindly if you are reading each and everything, it may be difficult to you and you may lose some marks also. Logical reading is very important. So if you want to understand that logical reading, first we need to know the weightage of each and every chapter of our physics. Let's see here. If you take the first chapter, that is a physical world. So the weightage of physical world is only for 2 marks. It means we will get only 2 marks question in public examination. And the second chapter is units and measurements. Here also we will get only 2 marks. And the third chapter is motion in a straight line. In this chapter we may get 4 marks question. One 4 marks question we will get. So motion in a plane. Motion in a plane we will get 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question, and total marks is 6. This means the total weightage of motion in a plane is 6 marks. And the laws of motion we will get 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, and total weightage is 6 marks. And the sixth one, work, power and energy. Here we are having 3 important LAQs, long answer questions. If you are perfect at the 3 LAQs, one question must be there in our public examination. So the weightage of work, power, energy is only LAQ. Here we can read only LAQs. That is enough. So system of particles. System of particles we will have LAQs, SAQs and VSAQs also. Very short answers and long answers. But the weightage of system of particles is 2 2 marks questions and 1 4 mark question. It means in 2 marks questions we will get 2. 4 marks question 1. It means no need to read the LAQs here. Only we can read 2 marks and 4 marks. That is enough. Finally 8 marks is the weightage of total chapter. Coming to oscillations. In oscillation mainly we are having 4 marks question, 2 marks questions and 8 marks questions also. But the weightage of the chapter is only 8 marks. It means only one long answer question we may get in our public examination. It means no need to read 2 marks and 4 marks. Only we must concentrate on the LAQs from the oscillations. So, and in oscillations we have only 2 LAQs. If you are perfect at the 2 LAQs, in that 2, one question must be there in the public examination pattern. The next chapter is the gravitation. So the gravitation, the weightage of the gravitation is only for 4 marks now. So the total weightage is 4 marks. So mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids also only 1 4 marks questions we will get in public examination. Weightage is 4. Mechanical properties of fluids. Here also we will get 2 2 marks questions. We must concentrate on the 2 marks questions. No need of 4 marks and LAQs here. So 2 marks questions we will get in final examination. Total weightage is 4. And the thermal properties of matter. Here in public examination 2 choices. It means 2 marks questions and 1 4 mark question. 2 marks questions and 1 4 mark question. Total weightage of the chapter is 8. Thermodynamics. From this chapter 2 choices are there. So 2 marks question is 1, 4 marks question is one or 8 marks question. Maybe 6 or 8. Mostly we will expect 8 marks question from the thermodynamics instead of 2 and 4. Mostly if we refer the previous examination papers also, compulsory 8 marks question will come from our thermodynamics. Next, kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases, 2 marks questions or 4 1 mark question. That is the choice. Okay, we may get 2 mark questions, either 1 4 mark question. This is the total weightage of each and every chapter. It is fine. Then how can we read? How can we read? Before going, we have to know the question paper pattern also. So, coming to the question paper pattern, here we are having 3 sections. In the first section, 10 2 marks questions they will give. We have to attempt each and every question. There is no choice in the first Roman. 10 2s are 20 marks. Coming to second Roman, we will get 8 4 marks questions. We will get 8 4 marks questions. But we have to attempt only 6 questions. We have to attempt only 6. But we will get 8 questions here. So 6 4s 24. And the next third Roman, here we will get 3 LAQs, 3 long answer questions. In that 3 we have to write any 2. Here also choice will be there. So in second and third Roman we will have a choice, but in the first Roman there is no choice. We have to attempt each and every question. So the total question paper is for 60 marks. That is fine. Suppose Nana, if you take the third Roman, how many questions they will give? 3 LAQs. How many we have to write? Only 2. What is the weightage of each question? 8 marks. So if you see this here, mainly how many chapters are there for LAQs and which chapters are important for LAQs? Only for LAQs we have to refer work power energy and thermodynamics and oscillations. So work power energy, thermodynamics and oscillations. Mainly from these 3 chapters only we are getting the LAQs. So in work power energy we are having 3 LAQs. System of particles we are having 2 LAQs. In thermodynamics the most important LAQ is Cournot-Singel. Here also we have 2 LAQs in thermodynamics. So one question will come from work power energy, one question will come from oscillations, one question will come from our thermodynamics. So if you want to attempt any 2 LAQs, at least we have to perfect any 2 chapters. In these 3, any 2 chapters we have to be perfect. That is your choice. Which one is easy for you? You have to read it. Okay. And coming to the second Roman, here we are having 8 4 marks questions. Here we have a choice also. We have to write any 6. In these 8 4 marks questions, 2 problems must be there. And the remaining 6 are direct questions. And 2 problems and 6 direct questions they will give. So that is the, condition for the physics paper. Compulsory in 4 marks questions, 2 problems compulsory they will give. That is the pattern also. So remaining 6 are direct questions. So while we are reading the 4 marks questions, what is the scenario we can follow? First we need to check the weightage. So 4 marks questions mainly come from motion in a straight line and motion in a plane and laws of motion, and here system of particles, gravitation, mechanical properties of solids. Next, kinetic theory of gases. Means these are the 8 chapters. From these 8 chapters, from each chapter one question will be there in our second Roman. So in these 8 chapters, each and every chapter 4 marks you have to read, because 2 problems will be there. If you are perfect at these 8 chapters 4 marks questions, if you are feeling the difficulty about the problems, here we have a choice. The rest of the questions directly we can attempt. So first we need to check the weightage of each and every chapter. Logically we have to prepare for exam. So first, if we want to get out of marks, first we need to know the weightage. According to that only we have to start our preparation. Proper planning should be required. Without proper planning, if you are reading blindly by open your textbook or any material, you cannot get it out of marks. It's very clear. And coming to the 2 marks questions, 10 questions will be there. Then you can check the 2 marks in from which chapter the 2 marks questions are going to come in our public examination according to the weightage. Only that chapter's 2 marks you can read. Suppose, only for example purpose I am saying, if you take a motion in a straight line, what is the weightage? It is only for 4 marks. It means mostly in this chapter we have to concentrate on 4 marks questions. No need of 2 marks, no need of LAQs. Clear? So suppose if you take an oscillations, each and every chapter having 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and long answer questions also, 8 marks questions also. But no need to read all the things from each and every chapter. Physical world, only 2 marks questions we have to practice. Units and dimensions, only 2 marks questions we have to practice. In physical world we have 5 2 marks questions. If you are perfect at 5 2 marks, 1 question compulsory will be there in the paper. So if you take a motion in a straight line, only 4 marks questions we have to read. No need of 2, no need of 8 marks. If you take a motion in a plane, 2 marks and 4 marks questions we have to concentrate. No need of LAQs. If you take a laws of motion, here also the same scenario. We have to concentrate on 2 marks and 4 marks. No need of LAQs. And work power energy, only LAQs. 3 LAQs are there. Work energy theorem, freely falling body and collisions. Final velocities of the collision. Only these three questions you have to practice. No need of remaining any questions from work power energy. And system of particles, only 2 marks questions and 4 marks questions we have to practice. No need of LAQs here. Oscillations, only LAQs we have to practice. In oscillations we have only 2 LAQs. Only 2 LAQs. In that simple pendulum question must be there in our public examination pattern. Most important question. Next, no need of 2 marks and 4 marks from oscillations. No need to read the remaining questions. Only LAQs we have to concentrate. If you take a gravitation, here also 2 marks, 4 marks, 8 marks is there. But we have to read only 4 marks. No need of LAQs, no need of 2 marks. So mechanical properties of solid, only 4 marks questions we have to practice. Thermal properties of fluids, only 2 marks questions we have to learn. Thermal properties of matter, 2 marks and 4 marks we have to concentrate. Thermodynamics, only LAQs you have to concentrate. It's very clear. Compulsory LAQ will become from thermodynamics. Clear? And kinetic theory of gases, either 2 marks or 4 marks. So, according to the weightage only, we have to read the questions from each and every chapter. No need to read each and every question from the chapters. Check the weightage properly. So, whatever the weightage they given in the public examination from each and every chapter, only according to that we have to prepare. So, logical reading is very important. Blindly don't read each and every question. Logical reading is very, very important. Then only you will get 60 out of 60 in our public examination. And very easy to gain 60 out of 60 in our physics. Very easy. But logical reading must be required. So, then how can we prepare for coming exam? So, what is that? And the remaining process I will send in the next video. Okay. So, only for this video I given the weightage and question paper pattern on how to read each and every chapter. In the next video, I am going to explain LAQs from work power energy, oscillations and thermodynamics. Okay, so thank you for all for watching this video. We'll meet you on the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you.